Hindi nga tayo umabot sa punto na magkakaroon ng Senate trial para ma-explain niya yung side niya eh.
Ito kasi, you are
Okay, we already
misled.
hit
Okay.
5 minutes, so
Okay,
let's
I'll just answer that.
Attorney Bañez.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay. So, ito kasi, you are misled again. Ngayon, yung sinasabi nyo na internal rules, the Constitution, okay, is above and mightier than all internal rules. Okay? Tapos, aside from that, we are not talking about the internal rules here, but we are talking about the Constitution. Bakit? Kasi nga, the internal rules of any tribunal still cannot violate the Constitution because it contains the basic rights of every individual. So, it reigns paramount. Kaya nga, that's the mother of all laws. Pag violate mo yung Constitution, no matter what you are doing, well, hindi tama yan.
So sa Article 11 is part of the Constitution.